Career options after BA. Bachelor of Arts or BA is an extremely popular course that students pursue right after 12th. BA is usually of 3 years duration, and as part of a BA course, students need to study 5 compulsory subjects along with a few elective subjects. These subjects vary depending on the discipline selected by the candidate. BA is most popular among students of humanities, and there are various specializations under BA Humanities. Let's look at some of the most prominent career options after BA. Number 1. Study further in your subject. MA. Master of Arts refers to postgraduate degrees, which BA students can join to pursue higher studies in their preferred areas. In this field, you'll mainly learn about your chosen subjects in more detail. MA programs are perfect for those who want to pursue further studies and enter doctorate programs. MA allows you to expand your knowledge of a specific domain and get more advanced options in those sectors. An MA degree is also helpful when you want to become a teacher. However, you'll need to appear for the NET or TET examination for that subject. If you want to teach at schools or colleges, minimum eligibility. To pursue a Master of Arts, you only need to have a BA degree. Apart from that, different colleges have different eligibility criteria. So, be sure to check it out before you apply anywhere. Almost all the major universities and colleges in India offer this program. Number 2. Become a manager. MBA. MBA refers to Master of Business Administration. It's one of the most popular career choices in India after a graduate degree. The reason why so many people choose this path is because of the numerous career opportunities it opens up for them. MBA teaches you about management, administration, and organization. It shows you how you can solve complex problems a business faces in its day-to-day life. The demand for MBA professionals is very high. Whether it's startups or major corporations, everyone requires their services. Minimum eligibility. You need to give a common admission test, CAT, to apply for MBA degrees in numerous colleges and universities. Your CAT score determines the college that you can pursue this degree from. Number 3. Specialize in business analytics. If you've always taken an interest in using the latest technologies to solve day-to-day problems, then you can pursue a career in business analytics. Business analytics professionals analyze problems and derive practical solutions. They use the data of past decisions, performance, and results to make better decisions for the future of the company. In this field, you will learn about Tableau, MS Excel, MySQL, Python, and many similar technologies. You will also learn about the applications of analytics in marketing, human resources, supply chain, machine learning, and core management skills. Minimum eligibility. For PG courses, you only need to have a bachelor's degree. However, for an MBA with specialization in business analytics, you need to have a minimum of 55% marks in your bachelor's degree and 3+ years of professional work experience. Number 4. Become an economist. Being an economist has become a very important profession owing to globalization and the merging of the world economy. Economy is key to the survival of any system of the government. Hence, today, economists are in the middle of political analysis, debates, and execution of the economic policies of the governments, etc. Besides these practical life aspects of the economists, teaching and research continue to attract economists. It is now being considered as one of the most absorbing and interesting professions among today's younger generation. It provides an opportunity to unleash one's analytical potential to a very high degree. Minimum eligibility. Candidates who wish to pursue this program should have passed 10+2 or an equivalent examination, securing a minimum of 50% marks in the aggregate from a reputed college, with economics as one of the subjects at this level. Number 5. Learn digital marketing, PG certification. If you've always been interested in becoming a part of the digital industry, you can become a digital marketer. Digital marketers help businesses and organizations promote their services online. Digital marketers help their clients to use online platforms in order to get more customers and grow their businesses there. Digital marketing courses teach you how websites work, how social media platforms operate, and how you can leverage them. Digital marketers use many technologies which you learn about, such as Google Ads, HubSpot, WooRank, Facebook Ad Manager and Google Analytics. Minimum eligibility. To enroll in a digital marketing course, you only need to have a bachelor's or equivalent degree. So, if you have a BA degree, you are eligible to join most classes or courses and become a digital marketer. Number 6. Enter the insurance industry. Certification. The insurance industry is growing at a fast pace in India. If you are a people person, then you can enter the insurance sector and kickstart your career. In this field, you get to learn about the insurance industry, sales skills, basics of financial services, insurance products, and their regulations. It's a great way to enter the financial sector. Minimum eligibility. The minimum eligibility to enroll in our life insurance course is a bachelor's degree at the start of the program, along with a minimum age of 21 years at its completion. Number 7. Become a lawyer. LLB. One of the most prevalent career options after BA is law. Getting a Bachelor of Laws is imperative to become a lawyer in India. After you complete this course, you can practice as a lawyer. With an LLB, you can become a legal advisor for institutions and companies. You can also prepare for the Judicial Services exam and become a judge, which is another popular career choice. In this field, you'll get to learn how the judiciary works, the different components of India's constitution, and relevant topics. Minimum eligibility. To enroll for an LLB course, you will need to pass the admission test of the respective institute. If you want to join the prestigious national law universities, you'll need to pass the cutoff in CLAT. You also need to have a bachelor's degree to enroll in LLB. So now, you know the answer to what to do after BA. There are many career opportunities available, and you should choose one according to your interests.